Over the last couple of years, the demand for home buyers who want space has grown tremendously. Additional living space, a larger lot to expand, even more space in between neighbors. Hi, I'm Sam Spinella, your trusted real estate guy with Spinella Group at Spoke Real Estate. If you're looking for space, 19170 Calle, Moniz, located in the beautiful city of Morgan Hill, is the place to be. You have got to see this home. Let's go take a look. Located in Morgan Hill, this beautiful ranch-style home has over 1,800 square feet of living space, with 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and lots of privacy on almost 2.5 acres of lot. Close to restaurants and shopping, you have the best of both worlds while living in the country. Morgan Hill is full of fresh air and rolling hills, award-winning wineries, a downtown with fabulous restaurants, art and boutique shopping, world-class cycling and hiking routes, you-pick farms, state-of-the-art sporting facilities, gorgeous special event venues, championship golf courses, and heartwarming local festivals. Whether you're an avid equestrian or horses has always been something that you've wanted to do and dreamed of, this is perfect. There's a barn with 6 stalls and almost 2.5 acres of grazing for your horses. This place is absolutely incredible. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions about this property or any other, please feel free to reach out to me directly. My team and I are always here and happy to help.